Subjects that should have been taught in school.
Technology literacy. Have you ever seen your grandparents with a smartphone? Well, they do have a smartphone, but usually they don't know how to use it. So, they would ask you to help them with their smartphones. Well, at first, you'll feel very useful because you're helping them a lot with their phones. But as soon as it gets excessive, you'll probably get annoyed by how illiterate your grandparents are in technology. Surely, you'll hope that when you reach their age, you won't be illiterate in technology. But the reality is that technology is changing very rapidly. If you don't care enough about technological progress, maybe you'll be clueless about what's happening in the next few years. Schools and public places will use a lot of holograms and augmented reality. And you will miss other great technologies of the future that would change society. Now let's talk about schools in my country, especially public schools. Based on my experience in public middle school, which means it doesn't represent public schools as a whole, we already have a curriculum that strongly involves technology like smartphones and computers. But there's one donkey-headed policy that left me wondering about its purposes. They only allow us to use school computers at the national exam. They did not even use those computers for our ICT subject. If school continues to use the sage on the stage or the shut up and listen to me method of teaching, especially without any technological improvement in the classroom, then for when are we studying this for? 1985? You don't need to attend a technological institute or finish a computer science degree to be literate in technology. Technology is all around us these days, like those thin blocks that you carry around every day and everywhere, even to the bathroom. If you aren't updated enough about technology, you'll be outdated and just be the same as your grandparents. Your grandparents only know that phones are only for calling or sending messages online. And it'll be the same as you later. You only know that phones are for calling, messaging, social media, and etc. But who knows that phones can be much more functional in the future. So yeah, schools should make a lesson about this, but the first step they should do is to get rid of those old, non-technological teaching methods. Then they can teach us or encourage us to be literate in technology. Thank you. Have a nice day.